social justice relate to healthcare in our community? It's a question that sparked a lot of discussion at the 11th Annual Health Summit in La Crosse today.
News 8's Alec Giannakopoulos is here with more on the conversation.
The summit featured several speakers from both the medical and civil rights world, and the goal of bringing those two groups together is to start a dialogue on how best provide medical assistance to diverse communities who need it. 2019 marks the 11th Annual Health Summit, but this year the summit is not focusing on previous topics such as medical breakthroughs, but rather the issue of helping diverse communities.
We want to change the health profession, so we get engulfed in it and seek out the opportunities to become the next doctor.
Local hospitals such as Mayo Clinic and Gunderson Health Systems, along with voices of minority groups, led the conversation.
As a community, we need to come together. We need to be bold in having these conversations so we can make change.
Topics of the event include tackling the stigma of some groups who have developed a distrust for the medical profession.
That distrust continues to kind of overlap or be an add-on, I should say, to all of the other historical oppression that have happened that have been caused by mainly white individuals, right?
It's a challenging conversation to have. It's a sensitive topic for some people to have, but it can't be ignored.
The event also focused on explaining why some minority groups don't have access to the same privileges the white groups have.
We can't hide behind the oppression that has happened in this community and in this country, because it will impact La Crosse.
Local professionals understand that a summit won't solve these problems, but the goal is to start a productive conversation and to educate.
Because the work is hard and everyone is responsible.
And earlier this year, the Waking Up White Conference had met to discuss white privilege along local community members. Leaders and minority groups were happy to have this platform to continue the conversation and look to host more events with the topic of social justice soon.
All right, thanks a lot, Alec. And for more information, you can always contact the Black Leaders Acquiring Collective Knowledge organization on future meetings at the number you see there below.